I just added $100 today, guys. And what I did with it matters more than the amount does, because the single decision determines whether this portfolio slowly dies or compounds into something serious. Today's deposit was simple. We put $100 all in on SCHD, the entire $100. No splitting it up, no overthinking. But the reason why I did that today is the part most people get wrong, and it's the reason long-term portfolios fail quietly. This portfolio is built on one idea, guys. Small money added consistently with compounding doing the heavy lifting, not trading, not guessing, not chasing hype, just showing in real time what disciplined investing actually looks like. And today's move fits perfectly into that scenario. SCHD isn't exciting, it doesn't give you dopamine, and that's exactly why it works. SCHD focuses on high quality growth companies, the kind that quietly compound year after year while everyone else is jumping in and out of positions. By putting the entire $100 into SCHD today, I'm doing two things: increasing my exposure to long-term growth on companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Google, all the big large cap growth companies. Reinforcing a habit that scales even when the numbers get bigger. This is how portfolios survive decades, not months. I'm building generational wealth with this portfolio. And here's the part people don't think about yet. Today it's $100. In the future, the same move could be 500, 1,000, or more using the exact same process. The habit matters more than the amount does. And tomorrow's update builds directly on this one. So most investors quit not because they lose money, but because the progress feels invisible at the beginning. You don't feel compounding early. You build it quietly. This is the boring beginning of the snowball, where consistency is the edge. And this channel exists to document that part honestly. The part nobody posts when there's no big headline. Some people just jump right in and say, look at my $500,000 portfolio. What happens next is where this gets interesting. As dividends start to come in, as deposits stack, decisions like today's begin to snowball. And there's a point later where the portfolio starts contributing more than the deposits themselves. That's the phase most people never reach. Tomorrow's update matters more than today's, because the next move will show whether this portfolio is staying disciplined or drifting like most people do once emotions start to creep in. I'll show you guys the balance again, the progress, and the exact decision. We're really trying hard here. No skipping days on investing, no hiding results. If you want to see what this looks like over weeks, months, and eventually years, you'll want to follow this series on my YouTube channel. This is how compounding actually starts. I'm trying to build something big here that people can watch and see compounding from start, the very beginning, all the way through to fruition. If you want, join me, subscribe, comment, like the video. Let me know if you guys have any ideas on stuff you want to see added to the portfolio. So today's investment, SCHD. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down because I know yesterday I didn't scroll. And go down here and click SCHD. As you can see, we got 3.069367 shares. It does pay a small dividend, but we're capturing the growth of the companies that it owns here. If you can see, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Tesla, Alphabet C, Broadcom, Eli Lilly, and more if you break it down. But we're going to benefit from all those large cap growth companies. And this ETF has a history of doing stock splits when it grows to a certain price. But anyways, please subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.